Hi everyone, today I will show you how to let the USB UVC webcam become wireless and then many iPad iPhone can connect the wireless at the same time. You need to prepare this one. This is a USB camera wireless station. It can let the UVC webcam become wireless. For this idea, I show you the USB document camera and then connect the USB webcam Wi-Fi station and then it become the wireless iPad 1, iPad 2 can connect at the same time. You see? The video frame rate is not very good. It is about 15 FPS, but it is enough for the education application. Hi everyone, how to let the USB webcam become wireless and then iPad 1, iPad 2 can connect it at the same time. Okay, you need to prepare this one. This is USB webcam Wi-Fi station. This is DC 5 voltage and this is USB webcam connector and it will become Wi-Fi. I will show you how to do. First, connect the USB webcam with this router, Wi-Fi station router, and then connect the power. Micro USB 5 voltage. Okay, and then turn on your iPad. And then connect the Febon, F-E-B-O-N, Febon. Okay. After you connect the Febon, please turn on your browser. This is a Safari browser. And please tap the 10.10.1.8196. Enter. Okay, you can see the video from the webcam. And the same idea, you also can use this iPad connect a Febon. Okay, and then turn on the Safari. Okay, at the same time, you can see the USB webcam become Wi-Fi and the two iPad connect it at the same time. Okay, you also can use another app, it can record. For example, you can use this one. Okay, it can record. You see, this is take picture and record. This is record. Okay. Second, I will connect the microscope. This is USB microscope, endoscope, microscope. Connect it. Okay. Turn on the Safari. You see, this is a microscope. Safari. Okay, you see the video. This is a microscope. Okay, I also connect another one. This is USB IP-video document camera. Okay, you see? Document camera.